Hi there. We have good news. Email tracking developed by our GrowthDot team can integrate with ServiceNow. Email tracking allows you to track email opens, the time it was read, and view the statistics of opening emails. So let's get started and find out how you can install this app in ServiceNow. At first, you should log in as a system administrator. Next, search for the All Available Applications module in the Application Navigator and click All. Then, find Email Tracking on the All Applications tab and install it. Close the modal window. If you want to check whether the app was installed or not, then reload the page and enter in the filter Navigator Email Tracking. In the next step, we are going to set up the application. Search and open the All Workspaces tab and follow the Agent Workspace link. Then you will see a message at the top of the page, such as, "To edit this record, click here." So we click directly on the highlighted word. After, scroll down to the middle of the page and click on the Open UI Builder button. Select the Incident Overview item on the Landing Pages tab. Click the menu button on the panel above, and choose Copy Page from the drop-down list. When the modal window is opened, name the page and fill in other fields as shown on a screen. Now go to the Components tab, where you need to drag and drop the email tracking main icon between blocks free space. Then, activate the landing page we've already created and confirm your actions. We have made all requireable steps. However, you might notice when you open the Agent Workspace Home and click on Authorize, you will get a warning message. It means the admin user cannot finish the authorization process from the security prospect. So we must create a new user to manage email tracking. We need to create a new user to log into the ServiceNow with this account later, as a system administrator is forbidden to activate email tracking. We're adding a new record by clicking a button at the top of a page. So fill in the user ID, name and create a password, as these fields are obligatory. As you created a user, let's assign roles to it. Search for a recently created user on the panel above. Open a record, scroll down, select the Roles tab, and click on the green Edit button. Next, choose Workspace User and ITIL items to assign roles from the collection list by clicking the arrow icon. After this, save changes and update a user page. From now, we are ready to sign into ServiceNow again but using an integration user we've already created. So log in again using the credentials of a new user, or you can do this from the incognito window as we did. After you log in, then open Agent Workspace Home and try to authorize. As you can see, there has been shown a confirmation page or window where you need to allow the connection between email tracking and ServiceNow. Now we are going to test the email tracking work. Before this, make sure the email sending option is enabled. Search for the Email Properties module related to System Properties in the Application Navigator. Put the check mark near the Yes under the Email Sending Enabled sentence. Save changes. Second, create a test user you will send to a test email. Here you can either use your email or register a new one. Now, make an incident on the Agent Workspace Home. Third, open the email you should have received on the test email and check the Compose column in your incident. Here it is. We've received an internal note that our email was read. If this tutorial is helpful, subscribe to our channel and social media you can find in the description below. Also visit our GrowthDot.com to learn more about the email tracking features. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.